Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my brand new YouTube channel, Superpower User. My name is Stanley and today we're going to be talking about desks. So I've been looking for a desk over the last couple of months, and what I've been using is actually an Ikea desk that I purchased maybe 5-6 years ago, the Galant series, where it was a modular desk where you could put add-on pieces and you can essentially build out a whole room and line the desk along the walls and have an L shape. Anyway, it was great. Unfortunately, it was discontinued a couple of years back, and the pieces, the upgrades, the add-ons, they're no longer sold. And what IKEA had replaced it with was a non-modular system or a non-modular series. So, like I said, I've been looking for a replacement desk for that over the last several months, and I've been looking at YouTube, doing my research, and a lot of people have come up with an ingenious way of creating their own desk with a countertop and dressers. So the specific configuration that I've been seeing quite a bit online is the Carlby countertops or the Hamarp countertops. And the problem with, and then you've got the Alex drawers on the bottom supporting the countertop. So those solutions are pretty good, but they're not perfect. There's a couple of drawbacks to them. So, I was thinking, I was looking at the countertops. The first major problem is the countertops are only 25 inches wide. And, they're not meant as desks. They're meant to be used in the kitchen. So they can't be super deep. So 25 inches wide by 92 or 96 inches long, it's great for the length, but if you want more depth out of it, it's just not there. And also the Carlby countertops from IKEA are made of particle board, and so it's not actually solid wood. But now the Hamarp is solid wood, but it's unfinished solid wood, meaning you gotta put oil on it. You have to finish it. You have to sand it down a little bit because it's actually not very smooth. So what I actually found when I was going to IKEA is this amazing desk right here. This actually, it's not actually a desk. It's not what you think either. This is an IKEA dining table. It's the, I'm going to butcher this name, but it's the Skogsta. I'll make sure to link that in the description below, but it's the Skogsta dining table, and it's a full 92 inches wide by 39 inches deep. And it's essentially almost 2 countertops width. And it's made of solid acacia wood. This thing is just so much better than what you can build or the do-it-yourself countertops with the drawers from IKEA. And the best part is it's only $450 from IKEA. I mean, once you get the countertops and once you get the drawers, it's almost, I want to say the drawers are like $80 and the countertops like $150. So gosh, you're almost up to almost $300 when you throw in tax, and this is just only $450, a little bit more, and you get this completely finished. It is absolutely smooth desk, dining table. So what I think I'll do is show you a very quick build, time lapse of me putting this thing together, and then I'll bring you a little closer and show you the exact details and go over the features of this table. As you can see here, we've got 3 packages for the table, and a fourth package for the stool that comes paired with this table. The spool, of course, is extra. It's about, I want to say $79 or something like that. And it goes very well with this table. So the first thing we did was to put the boards, the tabletop down, flipped over, and then we started adding the legs. Now the legs are actually relatively light compared to the tabletop. The tabletop each is made up of 2 sections. Each section is actually 70 pounds. All the legs combined is only 60-some pounds, 66 pounds. So comparatively, the bigger package that contained all the legs was quite a bit lighter. Now, what I really liked about this system was the screws or the bolts that screw up the legs and the tabletop together. They all threaded into metal connections already pre-drilled into the wood, meaning you're not actually drilling or you're not actually screwing metal into wood. It's metal on metal. That means very unlikely to actually strip anything, and you could really tighten things down. Once you put all the bolts in, flip it over, tighten everything down, within several days or a couple of weeks later, it's recommended that you go back and retighten everything down even more to make sure that everything's extremely sturdy. So one big plus with this system. So some of you are probably thinking, why on earth do you need such a big table? This thing is 92 inches long, again, by 39 inches wide. And the answer is I've actually, want a lot of space to work, but eventually I want to bring my computer system from downstairs up here into this loft area. And I've got a 32-inch display, massive computer, speakers, and it just allows me to have stuff on the table. And also, I'd like to have a laptop to the side. So eventually you'll see that in my future YouTube videos, but it'll make a little bit more sense. Yeah, so basically this is exactly what I was looking for. It is absolutely the ultimate desk that you can buy at Ikea, seriously. Anywhere, this is great. The wood is solid. Absolutely love this thing. So if you find this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and comment, like, subscribe, whatever, for future videos. Well, thank you.